In this video, I'll show you how to fix jagged edges in any PC game, making graphics look sharper, cleaner, and more realistic in 2026. Check my video description for this mod, select the download option, and wait for 30 seconds and then select the download now option to download this mod. I'll go on the zip and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game and select open file location. Before doing this mod, back up your game folder, copy and paste it in same location, rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the game folder, drag and drop all these files. Before that, I will show this actually work for any game. As you can see, you can actually use it for any game that has jagged edges. Just drag and drop the files inside of a game folder, except the readme. Once you're done, close tab here and launch the game. After installing this mod, buildings, cars, and objects will look sharper with fewer jagged edges. Overall, the game look cleaner and sharper even without turning up the in-game anti-aliasing settings. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.